Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a healthy and tasty vegetable omelette. You're going to grate the broccoli. Next, you add it to the mixing bowl. Add grated onions. Add grated bell pepper, red and green. Add grated carrot as well. Now you're going to add some salt, some black pepper, some Parmesan cheese, and some lemon pepper. Lots of Parmesan. I love Parmesan. Now you're going to beat the eggs. You can add 3 to 4 eggs, depends on the amount of vegetable. Now you're going to add the beaten eggs on the vegetable. Combine everything together. Yep. Mix it in nicely. You're going to add some olive oil to your pot. That's to your hot pot. You're going to use a brush to make certain the pot is covered nicely. Now you're going to add your mixture. Spread it in the pot. All corners must be covered. Cover for a better cooking. Yes, guys, I flipped it, but I'm not good. I don't have a good flipping skill. So that's why I couldn't show that part. Okay. So, after 12 minutes, it's serving time. Yep. Just need some pepper. Yes, guys, I add my pepper sauce. Yummy. Guys, I'm also asking you to please check out my book on Amazon. Get your copy. Thank you so much for watching my